Alright guys, I'm doing something I don't normally do. I've done it a few times, but I tend to stay away from these just 1 or 2 card boxes, and I did it. I mean, the 2017 rookie class is so good. If I can get any of those guys, any of the good ones, and there's a lot of good ones, then this will be worth it. There's a good chance that I don't get one of those guys. But I'm going to say this. I've opened several boxes before this one. You'll be seeing those videos. And when you see those, you will see that I've had a lot of luck today. So I had thought about holding on to this for a little while longer, letting it stew, and then opening it. But I think I need to get in here while I'm having luck today. Although that was several hours ago, my luck could have changed since then. You know, it's like when you watch football and your team's not doing well and you're like, okay, well, let me move from this recliner to the couch, or, you know, whatever. You got to mix it up. I don't know. Maybe I should have mixed it up, but we'll see. Let's get into it. I'm not sure how many cards. I really haven't opened this at all, so I don't know how many cards total. One jumbo or patch memorabilia, and one jumbo, one on card rookie autograph. 1 and 1. So is there really just 2 cards? Look for the rare rookie booklet patch. Man, those, I've seen those. Those booklet patches look incredible. So there are the odds if anybody wants to see them. Wow, surprisingly, it's a 100 card base and 40 rookie jumbo patch autographs. Total 140 card set. I don't think many people put that together. I don't know. I guess if you bought a case. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. This will be a very quick break. We're gonna get in here. Oh Lord, hope that's not a bad sign. Hang on. Ah, camera's acting up. Oh, come on, really? I'm not sure why it won't stay in place. Hang on. Did that do it? No, no. Alright, that's gonna have to do it. So anyways, my pack is wonky and the inside of my box is wonky. And my pack's scratched up like a werewolf has been around it. Alright. Enough talky. Let's see what we got. Alright, so yeah, there are some regular cards. Let me set this off to the side and I'm just going to start pulling these. So we have a Patrick Peterson. This is just, I assume, the regular base card. And then we have Frank Gore. Ryan Tannehill parallel to 299. Jordan Reed to, what is that? 60 to 60. Alright, so I'm looking at my patch autograph. It's not the best, it's not the worst. It's a good looking card. It's our Joshua Dobbs. So it's somewhere there in between. And then here's a really sweet Joe Mixon patch. Numbered to 10. A gold patch. This would be better if he was balling out right now, but it's not like his career's over, so that's a super short print. And the last card is an on-card Beathard, which could be good right now. We'll see. This is numbered to 99. I assume he's going to be the starter. I didn't pay much attention to football Sunday because I was at Universal Studios. I don't know. Did he start? How well did he play? I guess I better have to go and look. So that on-card Beathard to 99, and the Mixon, that's just a beautiful patch. And the R. Joshua Dobbs. I'd call that just kind of a middle of the road box. I don't feel terrible about it. I don't feel great about it. It's just okay. I mean, the Mixon is numbered to 10, and the Beathard could be good, and the Dobbs could be really good. Might just want to hold on to these cards for now, maybe, and see how these players shake out. So we'll see. All right, that's it for Origins. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.